Hi guys! In last video, I showed you 5 expressions that native speakers use very often in everyday conversation. It is true that they use a lot of phrasal verbs. I remember when I was in Vietnam, I learned a lot about phrasal verbs, especially when I was in high school, but I didn't use them that much in speaking. I just use them in writing, and I thought that it was something that was very academic. But actually, when I came here, I recognized that Americans use so many phrasal verbs when they communicate. So that's why in this video, I would like to give you some phrasal verbs that Americans use pretty much every day. So what is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a verb and a preposition that comes together. For example, write down, look up, or take out or bring in. Those kind of verbs and prepositions that come together. And here are some phrasal verbs that are really popular, and I think that you should learn these. Figure out. I think that is very common and everyone knows this. Figure out means know, understand, or solve a problem. For example, I say, I'll figure something out, or she figured it out. Or the phrasal verb work out. Work out means exercise. For example, I say, I go to the gym to work out. Or it also means plan something or make something happen. For example, I say, things didn't work out with me last year, but it does work out with me this year. Or we will work something out. The other phrasal verb is help with. Help is very popular verb, but here people use the verb help with the preposition with. For example, I say, I need help with computer, or what do you need help with? And the next one, crack up. Crack means break, right? Crack up means laugh so hard. For example, I say, she cracks me up whenever she tells a joke. And the next one, wear out. Wear out means make someone very tired. I would say the work today wore me out, which is in the past tense. And fool around, you know, fool, right? Fool is like stupid, but fool around means not doing something serious. For example, I say, I'm just fooling around online, which means I just not doing something serious on my computer. Okay, so those are some phrasal verbs that I heard a lot of Americans use in the everyday conversation, pretty much every day. So I think that you might want to learn these to make your English sound more natural, like I said before. So thanks so much for watching this video again. I see you next time.